Create a dedicated, durable, and attractive cookbook preservation and display area that honors family culinary tradition while keeping recipes accessible for everyday use. Design a climate-controlled enclosed shelf for heirloom cookbooks using simple materials like solid wood with a tight seal and a compact temperature and humidity monitor set to around 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 40%. Relative humidity, pair that with silica, gel pouches changed seasonally, and low-heat LED lighting to prevent sun damage. Add a display ledge for rotating favorites at eye level where pages can be shown without bending spines, and use clear, removable page holders or clips to protect edges while still allowing readers to turn pages. Build a pull-out reference shelf near the main prep zone at counter height so the cook can keep a book open and within reach without covering workspace. Use full extension slides and a lip to stop books from sliding off when pulled. Create a small scanning station in a lower cabinet with a document cradle and sheet feeder so family recipes can be digitized in high resolution and saved as searchable PDF files with simple file naming conventions that include dish name and contributor name. Store original handwritten recipe cards flat in acid-free archival boxes labeled by family branch and date, and keep photocopies or digital prints in the working kitchen for daily use. Establish a gentle handling routine. Wash hands before use, avoid clipping pages with metal clips, and rotate which books are on display to minimize long-term light exposure. 3 common mistakes are using open shelving in direct sunlight, which fades covers and paper, so move displays out of sun paths and use UV filtering films or low UV lighting. Another mistake is storing cookbooks in hot, humid cabinets near ovens, which encourages mold and warped pages. Instead, place the climate-controlled enclosed shelf on an interior wall away from heat sources. A third mistake is digitizing without clear naming and backup, which makes files hard to find or lose. Adopt a consistent file naming system and keep 2 copies, one on local storage and another on an encrypted cloud account. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like cookbook preservation areas and kitchen upgrades. We help homeowners find trusted local contractors and give contractors a place to get work and discuss techniques with peers in our site discussion community.